Hello and welcome to FreeCRM User Guide videos. Today we're going to show you how to import contacts into your new FreeCRM account. To do so, you first need to export from your previous customer management software. Maybe you use Act, maybe you use Microsoft Outlook. Any of these will do. I'm using Microsoft Outlook, so I'm going to enter my Microsoft. I'm in my contact page. As you can see, I have 3 contacts I'd like to import today to FreeCRM. In order to import, I need to first export this to a file. We'll choose Import and Export. We'll choose an action here. We're going to export to a file. Click Next. Here we have to create the file we'd like to export into. We're going to choose this one, comma separated values. This is because I'm using Windows, and as the name suggests, each value is going to be separated by a comma. Let's click Next. Here you see that we have to choose a folder that we're going to export our contacts from. We're exporting contacts, we'll choose that one. Click Next. And let's observe we had to give it, the file we're constructing now, a name. I chose Outlook Contacts. And you can see down here you're going to save this again as comma separated values. We'll save it to our desktop and click OK. Everything looks good. Let's click Next and finish the export. I'm going to exit out of my Microsoft Outlook, and here we see our file. It's been saved in Excel format. Now, you don't have to do this, but I just want to give you a look at how this file has been constructed. To do that, I'm going to open it with Notepad. Here we have our file. If it appears like this, that's because it has the word wrap around it. This means that if a sentence is longer than 80 characters, it's going to put it on a separate line. So to remove the word wrap, you go into Format and click. Okay, so as we can see on our first line, we basically have the names of each field from our Microsoft Outlook. We have all the descriptive fields: email, description, company, fax, first name, and so on. Our last 3 lines are our contacts that we're exporting. As you can see, let's look at the first one here, type text. Each of our value is separated by quotation marks, and they're separated by commas. So again, this is not something that you need to do when you're exporting. I just wanted to give you a clear idea of why we're separating them with comma and putting them into that file.